this green smoky eye makeup look that I created. You can recreate this look on Navratri, Durga Puja, then on Karwachauth, Diwali and any other Indian festival or wedding. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. And before that, if you haven't yet subscribe, press the bell icon. If you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. And without further ado, now let's just get into the video. I have already applied this lip balm on my lips to moisturize my lips before I apply lipstick. Now I am going to apply my moisturizer. Today I am going to apply this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Now this is for the first time that I am going to apply this product. I purchased this recently in the mini or the travel size chotu version. I have taken this much amount of the primer and I am going to apply it on the areas that I needed. I think I have applied a little more primer around this area because this was the first time I was applying it, तो मुझे ज़्यादा पता नहीं था ये प्राइमर के बारे में, तो मैंने शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा यूज़ कर लिया. Anyway, इसी के साथ अभी काम चलाना पड़ेगा. So the next thing that I will be using is this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is basically a color corrector. I have under eye dark circles as you can see, so this is going to color correct my under eyes. I am using my damp beauty blender to blend this out. Now I am going to apply my foundation, and today I am going to use Nykaa SKINgenius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. Now this is a hydrating foundation and this gives a very sheer and low coverage foundation. Again, this is a buildable foundation, so you can build up to a medium coverage, but don't expect full coverage out of this. Next, I am going to take this Maybelline face powder and I am going to set my T-zone. Now I am going to fill in my brows, and for that I am going to mix this and this color with the applicator that comes with the eyeshadow kit. So basically I will be using this eyeshadow kit to fill in my brows. So I am going to set my eyelids with the Maybelline face powder before applying the eyeshadow. To create this eye look, first I will apply this Lakme Eyeconic eyeliner in the shade green on my eyelids. Make sure that you don't apply it above your crease area. Like this is my crease, so I am not going to apply this above my crease area. So apply this below your crease area. So as you can see, I have applied this on my eyelids. Now I am going to take this eyeshadow brush from Nykaa and I am going to sprinkle a little water. So this is the Makeup Revolution palette that I have, and I am going to mix this two colors and I am going to tap it over this eyelid. Now I am going to use this Miss Claire's eyeshadow pot. This is for rupees 150 or 120 each. I am going to blend it above my crease area. I am going to take the same kajal and I am going to apply this on my lower lash line. to smudge the lower lash line with a brush with the help of which I applied the eyeshadow on my lid. I have a shimmery shade in this Nykaa eyeshadow palette again, so I am going to use this shimmery shade with the help of the applicator brush that comes with it, and I am going to highlight my inner corners of the eye. I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow pot and I'm going to use it as my contour. I'm going to take this angled eyeshadow brush again with the same eyeshadow pot from Miss Clay. For blush, I am going to use my another makeup revolution palette and I'm going to mix two colors. I'm going to mix this and this. So with the help of the same eyeshadow palette, I am going to use the same color and I am going to highlight the high points of my face. I have my eyelashes on and this is the look that I have created. This is how this looks.